Samsung is prepared for the release of its next foldable lineup with a number of crazy upgrades, including the first glimpse at the Z Fold 7, which is nearly here. Samsung will release 3 foldable phones this year, not just 2, and a trifold phone is not on the list. Rather, this year the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will be released with a Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. According to a recent source, these 3 gadgets may be the subject of some huge news. The live videos of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 seem to be scheduled over the next few days. The Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition live demo units for retail outlets went into production on April 30th, according to the source. Based on the shipping information I received, the BR7 weighs around 187 grams without a box or charger, which is the same weight as the Galaxy Z Flip 6. Essentially, the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition is a Z Flip 6 with an Exynos CPU. The real drama, however, will now begin around the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's thinnest folding phone, with its broader cover display and larger inner display than prior generations. Lifetime units are about to change. Despite the fact that the source omitted more information on the live demo units, we already have comprehensive specifics about the display, which I will reveal shortly. However, there are still pre-order offers available for the S25 Edge if you're interested in a thinner phone, which you can take advantage of by prioritizing the items in this video. The cameras for the Z Fold 7 are practically confirmed, yet not many people were talking about it. So let me provide some helpful information. Given the performance of the Galaxy S25 Edge with its 200-megapixel primary sensor, I think the Z Fold 7 will do very well with the same sensor, which will also include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide and a 3x 10-megapixel. This implies that although you may get excellent pictures with a 5x to 10x zoom, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 won't provide a 100x zoom. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.